Bam. Okay, guys. Needed a weed whacker for the yard. So I bought this on Amazon. This is the Wild Badger Power, whatever that is. Power. It just says power. But right here, straight shaft, 26cc straight shaft trimmer and brush cutter. So, you know, rough grass. Right here, this is the brush cutter blade, twist and load trimmer head. Okay, comes with some kind of harness, shoulder harness. Okay, let's get this bad boy opened. Okay guys, take a look in here. More cardboard pieces. Big chunky cardboard here. Got the power head. All this will just come out. The handle. Oh, there's some assembly required. It's a parts bag. Goodies, I guess. Harness and stuff like that. We'll take a look at all that. Problem is we got rain coming today. A lot of rain. A lot of rain, guys. Okay. Seems to be hard to open this piece here. Just a two-handed tear opens that up. Plastic. We don't need. Get this pulled out. More plastic. Let's take a good look at the motor itself. If we can. It's kind of the Wild Badger right there. And dark. Bam, there it is. Wild Badger, guys. It's got some weight to it. It's not super heavy. Like, I could curl this all day, you know. It's just I guess you gotta, you know, once you start using two hands with it, it's gonna get better. Here's the handle. It's supposed to be some kind of soft handle. It's not. It feels kind of hard. The handle's hard. Like, it's not squishy or anything. It's just hard handle. I don't know if there's something that goes on here. I hope it's anti-vibrational. Otherwise, I gotta wear a special glove. Okay guys, this is a harness. There's some kind of pad. You need it. There's some pretty nice hooks on here. Clips. You know, for the shoulders and stuff. If you need that, I don't know. I'm not gonna need this. Tell you that right now. Okay. Got this thing here. Says the Badger. This is the brush cutter. Cool. It's got a plastic coating, plastic protection coating on here that you undo to get this off and put it on. So that's pretty cool. It's like a big ninja star. Okay. Get our directions. No Badger sticker. That would be cool. What is that sticker? No. So obviously we got our directions. There's the guard. Kind of wide. It's kind of big. Big guard on there. I don't know. Might have to trim that. I don't know. There's our twist head. You could just put the line in there and twist it. I don't know if I want to like that too much, really, because I go through line. It looks like it opens up, though. It opens up like a spool. So we'll check that out later. This is just an unboxing, guys. Right now, we got some ties in here. We got some wrenches. They just look like they're pressed wrenches, nothing fancy. Some Allen keys. Just do the job, you know. Throw the garbage in the garbage. Okay. I'm gonna get rid of some of this trash. Okay, guys, this is a wind head. So let me just take this real quick for you so you can see what I see. Okay, take that off. Back cover. You got your string inside. Okay, so you have to wind it, but it's twist and wind somehow. I gotta figure that out. That I'm actually gonna read the directions, and this just pops back in. Just like that. It's kind of like the Red Max, which is really cool. Almost identical to the Red Max string head. And we have this player right here. I guess this rubber cap will come off. Looks like there's two rubber caps that come off. It's pretty solid, man. It's pretty heavy. There's a metal piece here, but I think that bolt comes out. That you screw the head on there, the string head on there. Yeah, definitely. Huh. Alright, let's get that done. Okay, guys, so what I did so far was put the shield up. It's just 2 screws. You know, it just looks like that. 2 bolts that go in there. I think they're already in place. So you just put the plastic up to these 2 bolts, line them up, and start going at it. Turn them in a little bit at a time on each side to get that down in there. With this, I just kept the 2 pieces that are on there. It's a bit confusing, guys, because you got this piece here. Okay, you got a bolt. So I took that bolt off. It was like this. Took that off. And I just screwed the head on. There is no room inside for any bolt. So this is all for the blade. It's all for the Badger blade, the brush cutter, I believe, guys. So I believe it just goes like this and it screws into place. Just like that. So it could be the other way. I think it's like this. It just screws into place with the top of the head here, but when you use the brush cutter, you would take the stringer off and put the blade on and just bolt it on with these 2 pieces right here. Okay, so that's where I'm at so far. It's gonna rain, so I'm trying to hurry, guys. So I gotta get this rubber piece off here at the end, and I'm just gonna try to pull it off till it comes off. And there it is. Came right off. Just gripped it like this with some gloves on. Pulled it right out. So now there's one in here that has to come out as well. And it just pops out like so. Okay. I'm going to put that piece in there and I'll be back at you. Better believe I will. Okay, guys, I'm losing everything here. So we got the handle. So this is going to have to be loosened up somehow or taken completely off that back cover right here. Let's look at some pictures. You can see that it's on this part of the shaft, not the connection part. It's on this part, so it would just unscrew and be popped into place. Okay, I'm going to unscrew this. We're going to hook up this. Okay guys, so right here you got a hole here, you got a hole here, and this is just for different positions in case you want to maybe use the brusher. Maybe you want the brusher, instead of being in this position, maybe you want it on that position. I don't know why you would. Or maybe you want to move this head, the trimmer head, sideways, and what you would have to do is push this button here right there and move it into a different position, like so. But your trimmer ain't going to be lined up, it's going to be more crooked, so I don't know why you'd want it that way. I'll keep my trimmer flat. This is sideways. Why? I don't know, guys. You want it like that. I want to put it back the right way. Okay guys, now it's back the right way. I'm going to go ahead and tighten this up. I'm not sure how tight that has to be. I'm just going to make it tight enough just to make it flush with, oh, there. Make it, just to make it flush with that. It's kind of hard to do, but okay, so that's what that's looking like now. And just go like this. Okay, so everything is flush, everything is the correct way, all the way down. Wow, nice and long. Awesome product, guys, awesome. Okay, break time. Okay guys, like so. I use this long skinny one for these. I just go in there, you tighten it up. There's a little indentation in the bottom that has to go in a knob on the lower half. So make sure you get that knob in place, and then put the top on with the handle and tighten everything up. It's looking pretty tight here. I don't want to overdo nothing, you know. So okay, I use this thing here, guys, just to take the nut off the bottom in the beginning. So I got these out. These are going with the blade. So I'm going to put that somewhere. It's going to rain in the shed. And you got this little one here, guys. That's for this, for the shield. That goes in the shield, and you just tighten these up. I could get it in there. Okay. There, they're nice and tight. So that's where we got these two here. So we gotta put these somewhere. And in the rain, I gotta put this in the shed, of course. Now it did come with these, guys. Right here, 2 ties. I'm not sure why it came with 2 ties. And eventually I'll put everything into the bag and bring it in. Haven't really had to use this. I don't even know what this is for. Maybe for this little thing here. Maybe for the motor somewhere. Haven't had to use this. Could be to, right there. Make sure that's tight right there. That little nut and the knob. Alright, so it's for this little nut there, and the nut right there on that knob, on the handle, which is already tight. Now this, guys, will clip. Your clip, the harness will just clip into that hole right there, so you can see that. Okay, so I'm not going to use this harness. this has to be put away somewhere. Instructions, I really didn't need them, just for the head, the string head. That was about it. So I'm just going to get everything back in the bag. Be right back. Okay guys, just like so, keep all that stuff in the bag, and I'm going to put this in the shed. This little thing we took off, right in the trash. This, guys, I'm going to put in the shed. I'm not going to be really using that. The Badger, guys. Oh, it's got some good weight to it too. This thing is like crazy nice, guys. I'm not sure what this thing is here for. I don't know if that's really needed. Maybe it has to do with the harness. I don't know. Possibly it could be used with the harness, guys. What I'm going to do is put this back. Put it there. Oh, there's another tie I got to put in the bag, but show you the back. Badger. Just lift it up real quick, give you a quick look before we. Badger right there. It's kind of dark. Blue and white, guys. I'm sure it's going to get dirty. See the gas tank? Nice size gas tank on there. Pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Push bottom. You tap the bottom, the string comes out. Cuts off here. That's quite a ways right here, guys. Quite a ways of string here, so that does a lot of cutting.